In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom button that functions exactly how you want it to. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding and can easily replicate this on your own projects. So let's dive right in. To begin, we need to create our button. You'll want to locate the plus icon, which is positioned on the upper right-hand side of your screen. By pressing this icon, you will initiate the process of adding a new element to your project. This straightforward action opens the door to the vast customization options at your fingertips. Once we've successfully created the button, you'll notice a panel appears on the left side of your screen. This is your control center for the button, allowing you to tailor it to fit your needs. In this panel, you have the opportunity to edit the button's appearance. Whether you're seeking a sleek and minimalist design or a vibrant and eye-catching look, you have complete freedom. Adjust the colors, fonts, sizes, whatever it takes to make it just right for your project. Be as creative as you like and ensure it aligns with your brand's aesthetic. After you're satisfied with how the button looks, it's time to head back to the first tab of the panel. This is where we set the functional properties of the button. Here you can change the label, which is essentially the text that appears on the button. It's crucial to choose a label that's clear and directly conveys the button's purpose to your audience. Additionally, you'll need to assign a URL to the button, determining where it will redirect users when clicked. For our demonstration, let's say we want our button to direct users to Google. So I'll label my button Go to Google and set the URL to google.com. For those who are pro users, there's an exciting additional feature available. You can also add an on-click action, which allows for advanced functionalities. This feature provides an extra layer of interactivity and can be particularly useful for more complex projects or specialized requirements. Once you've configured all these settings and you're happy with your custom button, the final step is to publish it. Testing it out in a real-world scenario ensures that everything functions as expected and allows you to make any last-minute adjustments if necessary. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a custom button, tailored both in aesthetics and function. With these steps, you carry the knowledge to create buttons that enhance the user experience on your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.